Imagine a tiny solitary explorer, Voyager 1, launched by human hands back in 1977, carrying with it a golden record of Earth's sights and sounds, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. Now, nearly half a century later, it drifts farther from home than anything humans have ever built, venturing into the unknown, where the sun is just another star in the distance. For decades, its camera remained silent, conserving every last bit of precious power to survive the endless freezing night between the stars. We clung to its faint, crackling signals, never truly expecting to receive another photograph from so far away, yet always hoping for a sign. Then, on September 4, 2025, Voyager 1 astonished the world with an unexpected, spontaneous image, an act no one had anticipated. No instructions were sent, no warning given, just a sudden enigmatic flash from the edge of interstellar space, as if the universe itself had nudged Voyager to send us a message. The photo left scientists everywhere in disbelief, sparking a wave of excitement and confusion across the globe. It wasn't a star, nor a distant galaxy, it was something no one could identify, an anomaly that defied explanation, igniting imaginations and debates. Voyager's journey began with a grand mission to explore Jupiter and Saturn, revealing marvels like Jupiter's swirling, colorful storms and Saturn's dazzling icy rings, images that changed our understanding of the solar system. After its legendary tour, Voyager became our silent guardian, drifting ever outward, now more than 15 billion miles from Earth, alone in the vastness. Communicating with Voyager is a feat of patience and technology. Each message takes over 22 hours to make the round trip, a conversation stretched across the void. That's why this new image feels almost miraculous. A faint, unexpected whisper from a realm we can only dream about, a reminder that Voyager is still out there, still reaching back. Voyager 1, our interstellar messenger, had one final mysterious tale to share, a story written in starlight and cosmic silence. The universe, it turns out, wasn't finished with Voyager, and neither are we. As long as it drifts onward, so does our hope, our curiosity, and our connection to the stars. Let's rewind to 1977, a year of disco, Star Wars, and scientific ambition. That's when Voyager 1 and 2 launched, taking advantage of a rare planetary alignment that happens only once every 176 years. Engineers and scientists at NASA worked tirelessly, their eyes fixed on the stars as the world watched in awe. These twin spacecraft were designed to explore the outer planets, but their mission would become so much more. Using the gravity of each planet as a cosmic slingshot, Voyager leapt from world to world, gathering speed and momentum with every flyby. Voyager 1 sent back humanity's first breathtaking close-ups of Jupiter's swirling Great Red Spot, and the intricate icy rings of Saturn, revealing details never seen before. Then, in a poetic gesture, it turned its camera back toward home, capturing the iconic pale blue dot photo, a tiny speck in the vastness, reminding us of our place in the cosmos. After that historic image, Voyager's camera was shut off to conserve precious power, as its journey was far from over. Voyager became a new kind of explorer, venturing into the unknown and measuring the invisible, charged particles, magnetic fields, and cosmic rays that shape our solar system's boundaries. In 2012, after decades in the void, it crossed the heliopause, leaving the sun's protective bubble and entering true interstellar space, a first for any human-made object. But Voyager's legacy isn't just scientific data. It carries the golden record, a message in a bottle, crafted for any intelligent life that might one day find it. This record holds greetings in 55 languages, music from around the world, and the sounds of Earth, thunder, laughter, a baby's cry, all etched into its golden disc, a time capsule of humanity's hopes and dreams. Voyager 1 is more than a machine. It's an ambassador carrying our story, our music, and our curiosity into the unknown, farther than any object before it. For decades, we believed its visual story had ended, its camera forever silent, its mission complete. But the universe, vast and unpredictable, had other plans for our distant traveler. Voyager's journey continues, venturing ever deeper into the cosmic ocean, and with it, our hope for discovery and connection endures. Its message echoes across the stars, reminding the universe that we are here, we are curious, and we are listening. At the Deep Space Network, Voyager's signal is a faint whisper, barely above cosmic noise. For years, its data was routine, until one day, an anomaly appeared. A structured data packet flagged from the imaging system, the camera we'd shut down decades ago. Was it a glitch? A cosmic ray? The team scrambled to decode it, dusting off ancient software. Bit by bit, They pieced it together. It wasn't random, it was an image. A single frame from a camera that should have been silent. As the picture resolved, the room fell silent. This wasn't blackness or a star's streak. It was something structured, colorful, and utterly alien. Theories flew, a power surge, a fluke, or something more, but the real question was, what were we looking at? The image defied explanation. Voyager had sent us a message from the unknown, and the world would never be the same. What did Voyager 1 see as it drifted farther than any human-made object before it, into the silent, uncharted darkness between the stars? Against the endless black of interstellar space, something astonishing emerged. A colossal, web-like structure, stretching across the void like the threads of a cosmic spider. This was not a galaxy, nor a nebula. What Voyager witnessed was a shimmering network of filaments, glowing with colors never before seen by human eyes. Emerald green, vibrant magenta, and liquid gold, hues that seemed almost impossible, as if painted by an alien hand. These colors didn't match any known cosmic phenomenon. They defied every expectation, every catalog of space's familiar palette. The filaments glowed with their own mysterious light, as if the very fabric of space between the stars had come alive, pulsing with energy and purpose. The structure was organized, almost geometric, like a cosmic circuit board or a vast neural network, hinting at a hidden order in the chaos of the universe. Its scale was staggering, stretching for light years across the darkness, dwarfing even the largest galaxies and making our solar system seem impossibly small. Our scientific models had always predicted emptiness out here. Voyager, however, revealed a complexity and vibrance that no one had dared to imagine. Scientists around the world scrambled to analyze the spectral data, their excitement mixed with disbelief as they tried to make sense of the impossible. The light wasn't coming from stars or dust, but from the filaments themselves, self-luminous structures shining in the emptiness, their origins a complete mystery. The image shattered our most basic assumptions about interstellar space, forcing us to rethink what we thought we knew about the universe. It was as if we'd stumbled upon a glowing city in what we had always believed was a vast, empty ocean, a beacon of life and structure where none was expected. The universe, it turns out, is far stranger, more beautiful, and more mysterious than we ever imagined, full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And as Voyager 1 continued its lonely journey into the unknown, we realized we had only just begun to see the true face of the cosmos. Theories erupted overnight. Was this a new kind of cosmic phenomenon, exotic matter or glowing cosmic strings? Some wondered, could this be macro life, a vast organism spanning light years feeding on cosmic rays? The web's organized structure made the idea tantalizing, or most provocatively, was it artificial, evidence of alien engineering on a galactic scale, a transportation network, an energy grid, a cosmic computer? For now, it's all speculation. We have one image, one clue. Scientists are re-examining old data, pointing telescopes at Voyager's path, desperate for more evidence. The truth is out there, and for the first time we know where to look. The mystery has only deepened. Voyager's image reignites humanity's oldest question, are we alone? For decades, SETI searched for radio signals, but the universe was silent. Now, we realize we may have been looking for the wrong signs. What if intelligence builds on a cosmic scale, not with radio but with architecture? If this web is artificial, it hints at a civilization beyond our comprehension, a Type 3 on the Kardashev scale. Even if natural, it means the universe is more complex and alive than we thought. Life might not need planets, it could thrive in the cold, dark vacuum itself. Either way, the universe feels less lonely. The silence wasn't emptiness, it was our own blindness. Now, we see the possibilities. The cosmos is alive with mystery, and we are just beginning to listen. Imagine being Voyager, silent, drifting, blind for decades. Suddenly, a surge of energy opens your eye. For a heartbeat, you see a glowing web stretching across the void. Emerald, magenta, gold. Filaments pulse with energy, converging at brilliant junctions. Is it a city, a star, or something beyond comprehension? You record, not understanding, just witnessing. The moment passes, darkness returns, but the data remains, a single, impossible snapshot. Your journey continues, blind and silent, carrying the universe's greatest secret. You are a mote in a cathedral, a messenger from the edge. The world you left behind will never be the same. You have done your job. You have delivered the message. The universe is not empty, and neither are we. The discovery of the cosmic web is a turning point for humanity. Our map of the universe is forever changed. Every textbook is outdated, every model incomplete. Voyager's final gift has opened a new frontier. Space agencies are racing to design new probes, new missions, new eyes to study this structure. The James Webb Space Telescope and others will search for more clues. The challenge is immense, but so is our curiosity. Voyager's legacy is secure. It is now a legend. Its journey continues, and so does ours. The quest to understand what Voyager saw will take decades, maybe centuries. We may find new physics, new life, or a universe grander than we ever dreamed. The journey isn't over. Thanks to Voyager, it has just begun.